run in ages.
It's her first time?
That's because she hasn't.
Well,
it?
I haven't seen her. I
She
think.
hasn't run since October.
Oh, really? She hasn't run since October.
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't think yet. That was so risky. Front cross.
She says, we're not doing nose work? You shouldn't have said that. You
No,
jinxed it.
I know. Oh, shut up.
Actually, it's a funny part of the course. A lot of dogs earlier missed that job. Good call.
Ah.
Yeah. Yep.
She's a little bullet, isn't she?
Woo!